was a fine man. I paid his fine. His first dollar was my last cent. Most anything I had, he'd always divide. He was a good provider if I'd provide. He was a good man, as good men go, and as good men go he went. I've got 24 children, a mortgage on the house, 2 tubs of wash, and a try for the mouse, a ticket for the pawn shop, and a whole pair of shoes, 50 other heartaches, and a trunk full of blues. He was a good man, as good men go, and as good men go he went. He was a good man, as good men go, and as good men go he went. He was a home man, anybody's home, 'cause he never had the rent. They say the good die young, that's so true and tried. That man was 97 the day he died. He was a good man, as good